provide this meal for you. I want to know that. Well, you want to eat your leg? Well, you like no very nice. Then meal, right? Sleep. I want to you sleep. And no more, no silent, no silent, please. I will eat meal for you if you listen me. No? Away. Away. No. Why? Stand up. I tell you, you smart monkey, you don't play a lot. No. No. I don't like you do that, you know. No. I don't like you do that, Susu. Susu. Why you don't listen to me? Hmm? I tell you, I don't want you to eat your leg and play a lot and jump when daddy take fruit for you. Huh? Fruit or meal at all. When I take the food for you, you not play. Huh? No. I don't do that. I don't like you do that. You play a lot. When you play, you're not smart monkey. No. No. Listen me, please. No. Okay. Why don't listen me? Huh? Susu. Why don't listen me? Huh? Susu. You don't know about me. I'm so tired for catch you. Just I want you to keep watching. Silent, please. No, smart monkey don't do that, you know. Huh? Okay, stand up. No. So, if you do that, I don't take meal for you. Huh? No. I provide meal for you. Let's go. No. I don't like you that. I hate you. Why you don't listen to me? Why you don't follow me? Good.